In this video, I'm going to reveal some information about potentially the best affiliate program that nobody is talking about. Yes, I'm talking about the Microsoft Affiliate Program. So watch this entire video so you learn how to get started step by step. For the best tips and tricks to learn affiliate marketing and internet entrepreneurship, be sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell so that you're notified when I upload a brand new video. Also, if you want my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start. Hello, my name is Alston with alstongodbolt.com. I'm an affiliate marketer and internet entrepreneur who has helped thousands of people across multiple platforms make passive income with affiliate marketing, and today I want to help you. All right, so let's go ahead and get into it. Yes, I'm talking about the Microsoft Affiliate Program. It is probably one of the best affiliate programs that are out there, and I'm going to let you know why and why you should probably use this instead of something like Amazon. So the Microsoft Affiliate Program is connected to the Microsoft Store. Let me just show you what the Microsoft Store looks like. These are all of the products that you could potentially promote and make money with Microsoft. So we're going to talk about different ways that you could promote it, some of the best products that you could promote, and how to get started today. So if you know anything about Microsoft, Microsoft has both hardware and software products that you can make money, and there's a number of ways that you can attack it. If you have a YouTube channel and you're doing product reviews, it might be more beneficial to use something like Microsoft than just going to Amazon. Microsoft will pay you up to a 7% commission on the products. Now, when you compare that to Amazon, Amazon pays you on average a 3.5% commission. So you're getting twice the commission with using Microsoft. Going directly to Microsoft, you're going to get paid more. So look at some of the things that you can receive a commission. App and game purchases. So if you're doing video games, and I created a video last week about making money online playing video games, you could get your affiliate link and link them directly over to the Microsoft Store here, and you could promote the new Xbox or the new video game. So let's say they came out with a new Titanfall. You could promote the Titanfall and link them back to this website, and you could make more money than just using Amazon. If we look, music and song downloads, movie rental, TV show, app and in-game purchases, there's a number of opportunity. Now, I will get into in just a moment some of the weird, hokey things when it comes to this affiliate program, but there are a number of opportunities that are out there. Like I said, if you are into product reviews, if you're a gamer, these are very, very good opportunities. Let's take a look at this Microsoft Store. We have computers. So again, if you're doing reviews, if you are creating content for college kids, let's say the best laptop for college, the best Surface Pro, that's going to be a good opportunity. If you are showing people how to use Windows 365, you can make commission off of that. If we jump back over to the screen here, you can see a monthly subscription, you get paid $10. Now, it's not clear if it would be $10 per month or $10 total. It looks like that might be total. But if we jump back over, we're just scrolling through here. Again, the Game Pass you can potentially receive commission on. There is a number of opportunities right here on this webpage. If we look, 365 Office Windows, go down to Xbox. As you know, there's a new gaming system that comes out every 4 or 5 years. There's an opportunity to make money here. And again, if you have a YouTube channel, you can make money. If you have a blog, you can make money. You can even tweet out, let's say when Microsoft has new Xboxes in stock. I've mentioned a few times over the last few months, a very good opportunity is to take advantage of the power of Twitter. And when Xbox has a new game, a new system out, or even a new game come out, you can tweet out to people that are interested in that new gaming console. If we go over to Google Trends, I just want to show you how popular this was over the last few weeks and months. So we go to Google Trends, and I'm just going to type in Xbox Series X. So when I type in Xbox Series X, this is the new gaming console that just came out. It came out back in November, and so as you can see, there was a ton of popularity. It was very difficult for people to get their hands on. A lot of people were creating bots that were automatically checking inventory on different websites when product was available. And one of those websites was actually Microsoft. And so when there was new stock available, you could send out a tweet to everyone that was interested, add the relevant hashtags, and then people click on your link. It's an affiliate link, and you make money. But Microsoft is a very good opportunity, and you can use it in a variety of ways. You can create a blog post, social media. You could do a Facebook group. Let's say you had a tech style Facebook group. You could send out a notification whenever Microsoft updates or releases a new Surface or a Surface Pro. As you can see here, there's just a number of opportunities. So that's the good thing. A 7% commission, which is very high, very good for tech. Usually it's much lower because we know that tech updates and there's really a high margin on it. So basically companies don't make a lot of money when it comes to it. For example, like Amazon, because they have to store and warehouse and ship and all of that stuff, they don't usually make a lot of money off of it. And so the commission or the margins aren't very good, but Microsoft has one of the best out there. So that's the good. The bad, unfortunately, is it's kind of hard or kind of weird to get into it. For example, when you go through this website, and I'll link it down below, when you go to this website, it'll tell you to click here to get started. Complete list of commissions. You would think that you would go over to maybe a complete list of commissions. When I open this in a new tab, it takes me over to the main website to buy products. So that's going to be kind of confusing. If we scroll down here, if we go Microsoft Private Affiliate Program, if I click this to open it up, again, it takes me over to the website. So it's kind of clunky in that way where it doesn't look like it's designed the best. Again, if we click down here, Microsoft.com/affiliates, if I open this up, once again, it's going to take me over to this store here. What you need to do, and that's one aspect. Another thing that's kind of weird about it is when you type in Microsoft Affiliate Program, you will get this website. And then if you click down a little bit further, you're going to get this website, which is completely different, blogs.windows.com, which is a part of Windows, of course, and then Microsoft.com. And this one talks about different products. For example, the Microsoft 365 Business Basic talks about $6 here. So it can be kind of confusing in order to get started. Now, when you get to this website, you have to click join now, and it's going to take you to a third party where you have to sign up this way. Now, you do have to go through the process and sign up, and it should probably take you about 10 or 15 minutes to go through everything. So you do have to apply and qualify, but it can be kind of hokey in order to sign up. Now, and the other weird thing when it comes to this is I checked out this website from authorityhacker.com, and there's a number of places to sign up. You can sign up with Flex Offers. You can sign up with Rabunken, whatever it's called. You can sign up there, and there's a different connection. So as you can see, you can use this affiliate program here. You can use Flex Offers. And the commission structure seems like it can be kind of weird, but all in all, it's a better alternative than Amazon if you are going to promote Microsoft products. So again, if you are doing review videos on Surface Pros, if you're talking about the best laptops for college students, the best iPads, the best tablets for college students, you can be an affiliate and make money. If you are showing people how to get started with Microsoft or Windows, you can be an affiliate, make very good money. If you are selling these other physical products, I don't know a ton of people that are buying like earbuds and stuff from Microsoft. I'm sure there's a huge market for it, but I don't know a ton of people that do that. But overall, it's a better opportunity to make money if you can get past some of the early hurdles. Once you get over to this website and you figure out exactly the commission, you apply, you qualify, you get in, you figure out the commission structure, then you can start promoting. If you are a gamer and you are talking about the latest games, if you are talking about Microsoft exclusive games. Now, if you don't know what that is, PlayStation and Microsoft at one point had games that were only available on PlayStation and Microsoft. For example, I mentioned Titanfall, that was only available on Microsoft at one point, and you could only buy it for the Microsoft, or you could only buy it for the Xbox, and so those were called exclusive games. And so you could create content on the exclusive games and tell people to click the link to buy the product directly from Microsoft, and then you can make money. So all in all, I think it's a good affiliate program if you are ready to jump through some of the hurdles. Again, I'm going to go back here. I'm just going to type in, so I typed in Microsoft Affiliate Program, and as you can see, Microsoft.com is the first one that comes up, about.ads.com, blogs.windows.com, and then that Authority Hacker that I mentioned. When I open it up, you really get a bunch of different answers, which can be kind of confusing and frustrating, which would lead you to go over to a website like Amazon. But if you are willing to do a little bit of the legwork, if you're willing to put up with a little bit of the frustration, so again, I open these top three here, and as you can see, the top three have basically 3 different results. If I click on Become an Affiliate this way, it takes me over to CJ Affiliate. If I click on this one right here, if I click Join Now, it takes me over to this advertising agency. And then if I click on this one, it just keeps circling back circling back to the website. But then if I click on, let me go back here. If I click on this Get Started guide, it takes me to this PDF where it talks about some of the information. So it can be kind of confusing. It can be kind of frustrating. What I would recommend that you do, because I think this is a good opportunity, I would recommend that you spend the time required. And if you scroll through here, you can't really see exactly where you're going or what to do. What I would recommend that you do is I do recommend that you go through the necessary hoops to sign up to these affiliate programs so that you can make money. Because according to Microsoft, you can make 7% commission on video games and on their tech, which is going to be pretty good when compared to some of the other affiliate programs out there. So I definitely recommend that you jump through the hoops to do what it needs to do what you need to do to become an affiliate for Microsoft. And comment down below if you decide to jump through these hoops and jump through these hurdles. Let me know if you find something different, because when I did my research and I did the search, this is really what I could find. If I go through and I open up these links, it gives me a bunch of different answers. And so the best way to do it is to apply to all of these affiliate programs. So go to the Rebunkin one that I keep mispronouncing, go to Flex Offers, and then also go to CJ Affiliate, apply to them all, and then see where the chips fall. Another great thing with these affiliate offers, so if you look at here, another great thing with these affiliate offers is they do have somewhat longer affiliate windows. A few of the affiliate windows are 24 hours, just like on Amazon, but there are a few of them that have like 30-day and 14-day affiliate windows, which is very good for the technology space. So what I would recommend that you do is I'd recommend that you create a YouTube channel, and you can talk about video games or gaming, or you can talk about tech, the best laptops for college students, best laptops for virtual learning, things of that nature, and then send people over to an email list to collect their email address, maybe offer them something in exchange called a lead magnet, and then send them on their way to Microsoft.com. Microsoft.com is extremely credible. It's a website that people are going to feel comfortable buying stuff from, so you won't have any problem there. When people click on your affiliate links, it takes them over to Amazon.com, so you won't have any issue with that. But it's just getting to the point where you can get your affiliate links, but apply to all three and let us know what happens. Now that you know a little bit more about the Microsoft affiliate program, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start for my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online. When you click that first link in the description, it'll take you to a free training where you'll learn how to get started fast. So click that first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start. Watch these videos next to learn more tips and tricks to make money online with affiliate marketing. Also check out my website, alstongodbolt.com, for even more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online with affiliate marketing and internet entrepreneurship. If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.